Hello, hi there, girlfriend. Welcome to kinD Cooking and me, kLT, ParT 2 LasT. Well, if you don't, or if you're doing my book I'm cooking, if you don't, I will say anyway. Stop for now. Need a clear big cup, and one eye you can see, and stop. And then a sour cream, a little cup of sour cream, and a teaspoon of salt. As you can see, there's a teaspoon. Stop. And then milk. Now, I take these three ingredients first. So, stop. You take the sour cream, put it in the cup. Okay, back to me. Stop for now. La 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 la. Well, that was kind of a flashback of my foot. Lightly cooking with me. Well, I did take out some ingredients. There will not be no salt, no milk, no white wine vinegar, no pickle juice. That's it, we want the dipping sauce. But I will say what I have done. Stop for now. What is just sour cream? There's already mixed ingredient in here, but I just want to say that the sour cream and the garlic powder and the secret ingredient that I could say by you pour sour cream in the garlic powder and the secret ingredient that I'm not gonna say or tell you, but I'll give you a head. Stop it there, okay? That's all I am. And like, I wish I had someone to dish it in, but hey, I don't. Now back to me. Stop. Well, that's it. Other video almost. So this has been kinD Cooking with me, kLT, ParT 2 LasT. Oh, yo, do not forget to subscribe to me because subscribing gives me money. I hope you all will like the video. I guess I could, but it's not safe for kids, but it is safe for kids anyway, so yeah. You don't have to leave me no comment because they're going to be safe for kids. So I guess that's it for now, girlfriend, bye-bye, for now, stop. Good, goodbye, for now, stop.